So first I want to start showing you guys this mess. Hi everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Decorative by Favi. If you're new on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and of course, welcome. In today's video, I want to share with you guys what I got. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to start to mention it that I did this haul with you guys, this shopping with you guys, is because I really love to go to those kind of stores that you can find antique pieces, really vintage pieces that you're not able to find anymore in any store because they don't sell it anymore, and I really love those kind of stuff. So that is the reason why I went to shopping there. And I usually go at different places, but I never really record, so this is my first time, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started with this beautiful piece. It's beautiful. It has a really nice detail on it, and you can leave it like that the way it is, but you can also recreate new designs on it. You can paint it, so you can decorate it with candles, your green stuff over here, or some pumpkins on it, or you know, different way to use it. You can even use it this way, so you can put a candle on it and then you can put something else on the bottom. So this is just an idea. I also got this milk bottle. Is really nice. It has a little detail on it, a little heart and the flowers, and also these blue little things. I love the way it is, but I would like to have it just plain. Would be really nice, or just painted and write milk, or a little bit of black paint over here. I think I would love to have that, but you guys let me know what ideas you guys have for this little guy. I also got those little guys, those candle holders. There's too many things that you can do with these guys. They're really a nice shape, a really nice condition, and so you can leave it like that, or you can glue it together to create like larger and and one small would be really nice. Or you just want to keep it like that, or painting, like maybe I will sand it a little bit and then a little bit of white paint. I don't know, I will figure out something with that, but I want to hear what you guys think, what you guys ideas are. I want to read, I mean. I also got this picture, has a little beautiful detail on it. You can have it like that, or you can just have it like this way, facing this to the wall, just normal, just like that. I would like to have a little bit of black paint on the edges to make it look more rustic. You know what I mean. I also got this beautiful serving tray. I love serving trays. As you guys know, I already have a few serving trays DIY. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I will link around here or here. It's like a vintage look, I think it is, with the gold color. I would like to have it like that maybe, or use some contact paper, nice, or write something like a eat or thankful or something like that. That would be really nice. That's just an idea. I also got this little picnic basket. It's beautiful. To me, everything is beautiful. Because I have an ideas with, I just was thinking I may cut a little piece of burlap and put something on it, like apples or something, like a little sign on it, or a little bit of twine around the edges, or just a little bit of twine on here just to give it more character. As beautiful as it is, but you can make a lot of things with. So please let me know your ideas. I will read you all and I will try to do something with your ideas. I got this other little basket, really nice wood handle that look really old. I really love that. It's like that, has those little, that was the price, $3. Do you believe that? And it's heavy. It's just beautiful. I may just have a little bit of chalk, white chalk paint on it, or just like that. You guys let me know. I really love to have baskets around the house. I think it's a really nice way to keep stuff organized and actually really looks nice. Or fruits or flowers or bedroom with like personal stuff. I don't know. I think you can do many things with the basket. I also got this other serving tray. Wood serving tray has a metal handle and really strong. You can use it just like that as a tray. You can put it like a candle set on it. You can even paint it or have a little sign on it like a gather or thankful or something like that. Or I would like to just keep it the way it is. The price was $4 and was a half price, so it was $2. Do you believe that? I think it's absolutely great deal. You guys let me know. So I got this rolling pin. Seems like it's like a Christmas decoration already, but easily you can paint it and use some stickers to write something on it. I see that a lot so recently, so maybe I can do something like that. And one of my last pieces, I had to tell you guys this one like a special meaning. That's why I got it. So I got this piece thinking about my childhood. I got this piece just because it reminds me where I came from, where I grew up, and I would like to have this kind of piece just to always have that in mind. I know I will never forget where I come from, obviously, but this really reminds me my grandparents. My grandparents used to have this thing with water, and I promise you guys, keep the water nice and cold. Was a little bit different than what my grandma used to have, but it's similar. This is clay, made of clay, and it's a handmade, you can tell, and it's really nice. I bought it for $6. Was really nice. I just love to have it, just thinking about my childhood.
And I also got this little basket.
I didn't even know honestly why I got this one, but I think it's really cute. I may decorate it with some
Cactus or some sequins.
or another flowers, or even for the coffee bar, like that. Anything you want to do with this, or even for the bathroom, for little things. I should buy this one or not. It was $1. So I'm like, let me take it and I will see what I can do with it. Was a little haul. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and like I always say, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you haven't subscribed already and you want to know more about this channel, please hit the red button around here, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notification every time I upload video. So see you guys next time. Bye bye. My little one and my husband here, they want to help me to show what I got. The sleepy face. Can I record the video? Okay. Can you go with Daddy? Okay.
I need diapers.
So, what I was saying.